Welcome back everyone. All of you who own these speakers know about the annoying startup sound when you want to listen to them. Today I will show you how to turn off that annoying sound. And all thanks to you who requested this video, and mainly because of Richard Evans, who commented the solution in one of our videos. So I decided to make a short video on how to do it. First, turn off your speaker and connect it to the AC wire that is included in the original package. Then, when the battery charging shows that it's plugged in, take the remote control and push the mute button while the speaker is still turned off. Hold it for 5 seconds until you see a red light on the speaker. Now the startup sound is muted. If you want to enable the startup sound, do the same thing until the white light is shown on the speaker. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Good luck everyone.